Good afternoon and welcome to Gordon St.Hilaire's family farm in Williston, Vermont. We have been on this property since the early 1950s, and we primarily raise white-faced beef cattle. Currently right now we have 15 on our property. We raise them for local beef. Our family and I do our own haying and machinery maintenance all summer long. I really enjoy the opportunity to work the land and work together as a family. You'll notice in the background I'm standing in front of our iconic family farm flag barn, which was painted in 1991 and is freshened up every few years to make it aesthetically pleasing. We're a very patriotic family, and we would love to have you visit our YouTube channel for information about our farm, our beef, and our products from hay, which we just are about wrapped up for this season. But again, wanted to do a quick introduction. Again, Gordon St.Hilaire, Williston, Vermont. Thank you.